Good morning. I welcome you in linear equation session number 10. In this session, as you can see on the board, we are actually going to complete question number 7, A, B, C, and D. I'm even planning to complete question number 8 in the same video if it finishes early. So let's begin. I'm not taking doubts today because yesterday I couldn't get any doubt. Still, in case if you have any of the yesterday's video, you can ask me or you can message me. I can prepare the video later on if you have any kind of a doubt. Okay, so let us begin today's session with great energy. Come on, let's start. In question number 7, A, B, C, D, I'm actually not going to solve all the question. I'll be just giving you hint. You have to get these questions complete. Okay, maybe one question out of all this A, B, C, D I will be solving. Let's try. Now in the question number first, that is A, we can see 1 upon 2x, 1 upon y, 1 upon x, 1 upon 2y. Very clear, I have to substitute like a previous question. But what shall I take it? For an example, here in this case, do I have to take 1 upon 2x is equals to A? Or 1 upon x is equals to A? Because if I take 1 upon 2x is equals to A, then there will be a problem for this term. And if I take 1 upon x is equals to A, then there will be a problem for this term. I hope you are understanding. Now that's a problem for this particular question, that what to do. Okay, so let us understand this clearly. In such questions, it's not difficult, don't worry. I just split 1 upon 2x. I mean to say, 1 upon 2x can be written as 1 upon 2 into 1 upon x. Right? So isn't it 1 upon x is there in 1 upon 2x as well? Similarly, 1 upon 2y can be written as 1 upon 2 into 1 upon y. Right? So that's what I have to consider here. Let us consider 1 upon x is equals to A and 1 upon y is equals to B. So what do I get? 1 upon x I considered as A, right? So what will be equation number 1 then? The equation number 1 is going to be 1 upon 2 into x. Right? Oh, sorry, not x. It's 1 upon 2 into A minus 1 upon y is B is equals to minus 1. And this is going to be my equation number 1. 1 upon x is A plus 1 upon 2y means 1 upon 2 into 1 upon y, that is B, is equals to 8, and this is equation number 2. I hope you understood. Good. This part I'll just simplify, or I would write in an easier way. That is nothing but A by 2 minus B is equals to minus 1. Correct? Can I multiply by 2 to reduce this fraction from the denominator? As we are allowed to multiply to the any equation by any number, any constant number, right? So don't you think I can multiply by 2 so that this denominator, this fraction will cancel? Okay, so I'll do that. I'll multiply by 2 to the equation. If I multiply by 2 to the equation, the same equation is going to become A minus 2B is equals to minus 2. And this is the equation. Similarly, if I take the second equation, which is A plus B by 2 is equals to 8, and if I multiply by 2 to this equation as well, I get 2A plus B is equals to 16, and this is going to be my second equation. And I'm very sure you can easily solve the equation, resubstitute the x is equals to A, 1 upon x is equals to A and 1 upon y is equals to B, and find the value of x and y. I hope you can do this. Okay? So all the best. You can complete this equation easily. I'll just give hint for second question now. Second question, I don't have to worry. I don't have to explain anything. Let us take 1 upon x is equals to A and 1 upon y is equals to B. Right? So what will happen to this? So let us see. Can you guess? What is this going to be? A by 7 plus B by 6 is equals to 3. If you did not understand how this has come, you can split in this manner. Here it is mentioned, and find out. Okay? So let's go for it. Is equals to 3. I will simplify here itself. I can go for cross multiplying. It's a fraction, so I can go for cross multiplying. So what do I get? 6a plus 7b upon 6 7s are. What is it? 42 is equals to 3. Right? I can shift this 42 this side. So 6a plus 7b is equals to, multiply it, 2 4 6, no, 1 to 6. This is my equation number 1. Check what I did here. I just substituted 1 upon x equals to a and 1 upon y is equals to b. This term, which was 1 upon 7 into 1 upon x I replaced as a, so it become a by 7. You can check here. And then this term is going to become 1 upon 6 into 1 upon y is equals to 1 upon y can be replaced as b, so it is b by 6. You can see here. Then cross multiplied, that means I simplified it. Simplified it for, easy equation. Got the point? Let me go for the second now. Second equation says, if I same way substitute, I hope you can understand now. A by 2 minus b by 3 is equals to 5. Right? Again I can cross multiply. So what did I get here? 3a minus 2b upon 3 to the, what is that? 6 is equals to 5. Correct? Fantastic. Shifting 6 the other side, I get 3a minus 2b is equals to 30. And that's my new equation, equation number 2. And I'm very sure you can solve equation number 1 and 2 easily to get the value of a and b, and resubstitute to get the value of x and y. Can you do it? All the best. Get the correct answer. We can go for the next one. Okay, in the next one, I'm actually going to work on D question directly. We can come back to C question later on. D is similar type, so I can go for it. Okay, if I look at the equation number, question number D, here substitution is very clear. 1 upon x plus y is equals to a, and 1 upon x minus y is equals to b is my substitution. Correct? So what equation 1 is going to become? It's simple. It's 6, and this is 1 upon x plus y. So it is going to be 6a. You can split and check. Is equals to, make sure you can not change the equation, let it be as it is, 7b plus 3. I can shift this 7b this side to make our equation easy. 6a minus 7b is equals to 3 is my equation number 1. Right? What about equation number 2? Equation number 2 has got a problem. If I put 1 upon x plus y is equals to a, this becomes, understand, it becomes a by 2. Right? You can split and check, or I can show you. See, 1 upon 2 into 1 upon x plus y. So 1 upon x is a, so it will become a by 2. Right? Is equals to, understand it, is equals to b by 3. Right? Yes, similar to our previous one, I can shift this that side, b by 3 this side, or I can shift the numbers as well, anyhow. So I would go for shifting b by 3 that side, a by 2 minus b by 3 is equals to 0. Right? There's nothing left. Cross multiply like previous example. 3a minus 2b upon 6 is equals to 0. Shifting 6 that side, what do I get? 0, 0 into 6 is 0, right? So the equation is 3a minus 2b is equals to 0, and that's going to be equation number 2, right? So I got easy equation 1 and 2. I can easily solve now. I hope you can resubstitute your a and b and get the value of x and y as well, right? I hope you can do it. Continue. Next one, C. Let's go for C question. C is easy, or rather very easy, not difficult at all. So I'll solve it completely for you. Clearly you can understand here 1 upon x is equals to a. Here 1 upon y is equals to a. I'll go for, so that there won't be any problem. And 1 upon x is equals to b. What I would get? The equation number 1 becomes 2a plus 3b is equals to 7ab. Hope you understand equation number 1. And a plus 9b is equals to 11ab. I'm doing it in a short way. You have to simplify, you have to explain, represent the answer properly when you are solving it. So let's start. I can multiply equation number 2 by 2. Okay, you have to write it. You don't have to write it in this way. You have to write it completely, multiplying equation number 2 by 2. So if I get, if I multiply this by 2, what do I get? 2a plus 18b is equals to 22ab, and that's equation number 3. So actually I have to solve equation number 1 and equation number 3 properly. So what I would go for here, I can subtract, yes. So minus, right? So if I subtract it, 2a minus 2a to get cancelled. 3b minus 18b, is it 15b? Correct? Only sign is minus, correct? 22 minus 7 is again 15, sign is minus 15ab, right? So see how easy it is. 15 and 15 get cancelled, b and b is also getting cancelled, minus is getting cancelled. You don't cancel in this way. Okay, you can do all these things in the rough, right? So it is a here and nothing is left, that is 1. A is equals to 1. Or you can shift 15 this side, it can get cancelled, b this side, it get cancelled, and that's it. It's so simple. If I put this value in any of the equation, I get b values. I'll put in 1. So from 1 I get 2 into a is 1. So a is 1. Plus 3 into b is equals to 7. A is 1 again and b, right? So 2 plus 3b is equals to 7b. Shifting this side, what do I get? 4b, right? 7b minus 3b, 4b. 2 is equals to 4b, right? 4 shifting this side, I get 2 upon 4 is equals to b, which would be 1 by 2, right? Perfect. So I got a and I got b. Fine. I have to resubstitute again. So what do I get after resubstituting? यहाँ पे मैं कर रहा हूँ 1 upon y. Don't forget that we have changed this time. 1 upon y is equals to a. 1 upon, sorry, y is equals to a. A क्या था मेरा 1. So what is y is equals to 1. And 1 upon x was equals to b. So 1 upon x was equals to 1 by 2. So x will be equal to reciprocal both sides 2. That's the answer, right? So 1 question I solved it. 3 questions are for you. I hope you can do it. Sure? Complete these answers.